here. We made it. We are here in Istanbul. Right now we are trying the iconic kebab here in Turkey, and it's really good. Today is a big day. After spending time in Korea, I finally heading back to Ecuador. It's gonna be a long journey, and a plus that we're gonna make a layover in Istanbul, and there you have a free tour. So I'm gonna show you Istanbul a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you my experience having this amazing tour, and explain you how you can get this amazing 100% free tour in Istanbul. So stay tuned and let's check it out. So right now we are going to the airport. It's gonna be a long flight. It's 30 hours. So yeah, it's 2 stops. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all the trip. But the good thing is that in Istanbul we're gonna take a tour because the airline, Turkish Airlines, give you a free tour to the city when you do a stopover, like more for 6 hours. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you how it is, the free tour, and yeah. So yeah guys, right now we are waiting. We're gonna find our gate, and yeah, I recommend you to come with 3 hours because sometimes there is a lot of people where you put the luggage. There was a lot of people, so yeah, consider also that so you don't lose your flight. Yeah, interesting thing of this airport is that they have these robots that they show you if you don't know where is your gate. You tell them like I'm lost, and they're gonna show you where is your gate or things like that. So yeah, they are for help you, and yeah, it's weird for me. But yeah, sometimes there are like just parking lot charging and not working because I tried. I want to do a video for you, but it wasn't working. So we have to wait a little bit to go into the plane, and something that catches my attention is these places. If you want to smoke, you have these places to do it. So yeah guys, it's gonna be a really long flight. It's gonna be 12 hours, but I really enjoyed this company because they give you a really good meal, and they also give you good snacks so you can be comfortable. They give you a blanket, and consider that if you're, for example, in Seoul, we were really hot because we were in summer, but into the plane is really cold because of the aircon, so consider that and change your clothes before enter to the plane. But yeah, also they're gonna give you a blanket, so it's gonna be okay, but consider that. So yeah, it's cool, they give you all you need, and something that catch my attention is they put this exercise so you can stretch because the flight is really long, it's 12 hours, so you have to stretch and don't be hard. Okay guys, so right now we are here in Istanbul in the airport. I'm really like confusing with the time because my body feels like tired, but here is 4 p.m. because we were in Seoul and there was like 10. So we have the tour, and I'm gonna show you how it is, where you know that. So we're gonna start with the arrival. Something here in the airport is that they only gonna give you 1 hour of free internet, so consider that so you can activate by SIM, so you can activate for 1 day and enjoy internet outside. So yeah, the airport is really nice, and you have options. If you don't want the tour, you can stay at the hotel. They're gonna give you a hotel if you are 24 hours in the country, and you can choose also the tour. That is what I did. After a quick check-in at the tourist Istanbul desk, they took us straight to the bosphorus cruise. Okay guys, so right now we are here. We made it. We are here in Istanbul. We're gonna take the boat. They're gonna take us in a tour in one boat, so I'm gonna show you how it is. So yeah guys, you have different options to take this tour. Here, because it was kind of late, we have to do the tour in boat, and after that we get a free dinner. The boat was super nice with plenty of space to enjoy the views. We're about to start sailing. I can't wait to see Istanbul from the water. Okay guys, so right now we are waiting to go here in this tour, and yeah, it seems pretty good. This tour is for free. One of the best moments, the sunset. The sky turned orange and pink, and the reflection on the water was just perfect. This view is unreal. One of the highlights of this cruise was going under the Bosphorus Bridge. It connects Europe and Asia, and passing right below, it feels so unreal. So yeah, to be a free tour in my opinion was pretty good. It was not a lot of time, it was like 30 minutes the tour, but they show you like emblematic places here, like the most famous, and yeah, the boat was pretty big, there was a lot of people, but you can have a good view. So in my opinion, I recommend you to do the tour. You have other options, they also do a tour in the Grand Bazaar, but it gonna depends on the time you get there. If you are so tired, you can take the options to spend the layover in a hotel, but in my opinion it's better the tour. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, tell me in the comments, use this emoji if you prefer the tour, and use this emoji if you prefer to stay in the hotel. As the sunset completely, the city lights came on, the bridge started changing colors, it was magical. Istanbul at night is a whole different vibe, the mosques, the palace and the bridge all look so elegant with the lights. And of course, Turkish Airlines didn't just give us a cruise, they include also a dinner on board. I just go try some delicious Turkish food. So yeah, check how different is the bathroom here. It's crazy how different are the bathrooms in all over the world. So yeah, right now we're gonna go to the city, we're gonna walk a little bit there, because you can choose came back with the transfer of the tour to the airport, or you can stay in the city and go around, and that is why I decided to go around to the city to show you a little bit. So Istanbul at night is something else. The streets are full of energy, food stalls.
Hey guys, right now we are walking around Istanbul. It's really amazing. As you can see right now we are in an interesting street where you can find a lot of restaurants and some art. Look, oh, it's amazing. But yeah, a restaurant, bars, a place where you can take some wine. Check this store with the traditional dishes from here.
A lot of fake luxury brands. If you ever want a designer bag without the designer price, this is the place for you. Fake luxury brands. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Rolex, you name it, you're gonna find it here. Honestly, some of these knockoffs look really good, while others not that much, but the fun part is negotiate. Yeah, you can negotiate the price. I have a friend and yeah, he changed from $50 to $20, so yeah, it's really crazy how you can lower the price, and he really comments, so I recommend you to do it. Also, you're gonna find fake perfumes, are a big business here. Some smell just like the originals, but others, well, they disappear in an hour, so be careful with that. So yeah, check this out. These are different kind of baklava, the traditional dessert from here, from Turkish, and I'm gonna go to a place because I wanna try the baklava with some tea, traditional also from here, and with ice cream, so let's go.
Okay guys, so right now we're gonna try the traditional dessert here in Istanbul. I'm gonna show you, and yeah, it seems pretty nice, the cafeteria. It's amazing. So right now we're gonna try it. It's a traditional, and also we asked for a tea, traditional from here. So we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna tell you how it is. Delicious. I have pistachio and the ice cream. Right now it's hot, so. And also the traditional tea. It's good, not that strong, but it's not like with no flavor. It's like the perfect balance, and with the sweet of this, combined with this, is the perfect.
Another emblematic thing from here is the cats, the street cats you're gonna see here in Istanbul. There is a lot and they're really cute. Even there was night, there was a lot of cats.
So yeah guys, it's an amazing city, and yeah, it's like a little stop. We don't have enough time, we just have a few hours in Istanbul, but to be honest, it's really beautiful.
And that's Istanbul at night. I mean, culture, shopping, and crazy deals. Let me know in the comment if you buy a fake luxury item. I know that in other countries, for example, in Korea, is really bad if you buy some fake things. I think in my country it's okay if you buy fake things, nobody cares. But tell me, what do you think about it?
Okay guys, so we are here in the most iconic place of Turkey. I'm gonna show you around. It's kind of late, but it's nice because you can see like the place without all of the people. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go to have an ice cream, the famous ice cream show. I'm gonna show you also that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and all those things. So continue.
Istanbul is full of history, and one of the most iconic places you have to visit is this, the Blue Mosque or Hagia Sophia. It's not just a landmark, it's a place full of culture, tradition, and stunning architecture. So yeah, we were there at night, so we cannot come inside, but if you have the time, you should do it. But even from outside, you can see that the view is really amazing. It's breathtaking view, and all the lights is just incredible. So I really recommend you that if you are in Istanbul, don't pick the hotel, just walk around. You're gonna be fascinated with all this. Alright, you can come to Istanbul and not try this Turkish ice cream, but it's not just about the ice cream, it's about the show. This is part of the experience, they make you work for it, but trust me, it's worth it.
So an interesting fact over here in Turkey that I saw is you're gonna find a lot of places like these ones where you can do a spa massage, and it's really common here, and it seems really nice, really expensive. I wish to try, but I don't have time. It's not the money, I don't have time.
So yeah guys, walking around these streets in Turkish to me is a dream come true because I always want to visit this place. So yeah, we take a taxi to the Taksim Kami Mosque that is really also popular here, and we're gonna try the kebab right there because we find a place that is kind of famous. A lot of people were doing a line, so it seems really good.
This mix 200 dirham lira.
One thing is for sure, kebabs in Turkey hit different. If you ever visit, don't miss the chance to try one of these.
So yeah guys, right now we are trying the iconic kebab here in Turkey, and it's really good. Interesting fact, in Australia you're gonna find a lot of this, but to be honest, this is the best I ever tried. It's right on the center of the city in Taksim, where you can party here. So yeah.
So yeah guys, right now we're gonna go to the part of all the people go to party. To be honest, we were a little bit tired of the flight, but I wanna see in the night how it is. And yet, this area is packed with bars, rooftop lots, and live music spots. Wherever you want, chill night or crazy party. If you want to drink like a local, try raki. It's a strong sticks like anise and turns white when you mix with water. I don't like to drink, but if you like, you can try that here. If you have a sweet tooth, this place is a must visit for you. Hafiz Mustafa, they have been made Turkish sweets since 1864, and trust me, everything here looks amazing. They have all kind of Turkish desserts. So yeah, don't forget, if you're in Istanbul, make sure to stop by Hafiz Mustafa, the dessert heaven. So after a long night, we were really tired and it's time to take our flight back to Ecuador.
Okay guys, so what an amazing experience to be here. What a short trip, but what amazing.
It's gonna be a really long flight, a lot of hours, but I'm so happy to get back. Even I have to wait a lot of hours sitting in this plane.
So yeah guys, I'm really exhausted because I was Japan to Korea to Turkish to Bogota to Panama to Quito. So it was a long flight. Really long. I spent like 2 days in airport and planes, but hopefully we're gonna make it to Ecuador. And yeah, that's the route. If you don't have like United States visa, if you are from Ecuador and you are planning to go to Japan or Korea, that is a route that you can do because they don't ask you for visas. Finally here, finally in Ecuador, in my country. I really like this airport.
And if you like Ecuador, we're gonna go to visit other new cities that I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it because I have a lot to show in Ecuador. So I'm gonna put some videos about Ecuador that you can check it out, and stay tuned because I'm gonna show you really beautiful cities, and also they are more safe so you can enjoy your trip in Ecuador.